Hi, I'm Pilvi from Exel, and we're here today in Joensuu in beautiful nature with Antti from our product development, and we're here to talk about conductor course. Antti, could you introduce yourself and say a few words about what you do at Exel?
My name is Antti Hassinen, and I'm a product development manager here in Joensuu. I've been working with Exel from 2013 on in the product development and technical support. So trying to find the solutions to our customers and do some business with them.
When it comes to conductor course, can you let us know how did we get into the business and how did it all start?
The need came from a customer or customers, the market itself. So it has a solution based on metal, but it needed something else to have a solution that could provide new benefits, and Composite could offer that. Trying to figure out what kind of product would work, what it needs from our technology, and how do we solve it. It started from the customer need.
What are the main challenges that the customer was trying to solve?
So with metal-based solution, when you put a lot of power on the grid, it has a higher sag. So the metal expands and then the lines are sagging more. And this causes problems. There's new standards coming and safety things, etc. So they cannot sag so much. What can they do then? Either they need to lower the power, then it doesn't sag so much, or they need a new solution that doesn't sag even if you push more power in it. So our product can provide, for example, this kind of benefit to them.
How do composites solve the challenge of thermal expansion?
In composites, the thermal expansion is really, really small compared to metal. It doesn't transfer the heat, so it doesn't expand also. So it's very small compared to metal.
How do you take these challenges on? Where do you start then?
Normally the first information comes from our guys, sales or somebody who met the customer. So I get a bit of information on that point. Maybe a specification, some ideas of the products and so forth. Then I start to think about the different things that comes from there, the specification, how's the product. And I'll get my questions then. I'll figure out maybe this is a challenge, maybe this I need to solve. Then I need to talk with the customer. You have the customer meeting, you ask your questions, they will have their questions of our process. So I'll figure out this and this will be maybe the main problem for me, but these I already know. And then I build a package out of it and start working on it. I always have a team. Somebody's the specialist of tooling and designing. Somebody knows the raw materials better than me. So I talk with these guys. We figure out what could be the best options now. And then we build the package and start testing it. It's always the most exciting point when you start the first designs, get the first ideas, then you're really enthusiastic. Then starts the real work.
How important is customer collaboration during the product development phase?
It's at least as important as the internal communication. That's really important. Normally then you can do a really good project. But with the customer, you get really vital information. You cannot find solution for everything, but if the customer also understands what kind of issues we have and we communicate it and discuss about it, we can find a balance and agree together how we solve it.
How did you approach testing of the product when it comes to verifying the specifications and the quality?
It starts with the customer specification. So to look at that, they have some requirements. We compare it to our experience. We have done composites testing for years and years and years. So we have a lot of experience. So sometimes the customers have a bit weird testings. So if you have a good customer relationship, like in this case we did, we discuss with them, can propose our testings also, how we can change it. We test it, verify it, does it work? If they're happy, then we continue with that. In these products, there's a lot of different kind of testings, very long tests, but also very short tests, you know, mechanics or thermal endurance, etc., these kind of things. So we have a lot of capacities ourselves to do the testing and possibilities. We can buy it from third parties, do the testing over there, and our customers itself have also a lot of tests. So when we are sure that our product is good and verifies to the specification of the customer, we can provide it to the customer, and then they finish doing their special tests and things that we cannot do then for the product.
What makes you smile at work?
I get something finished and it's successful. That makes me happy. When things are not moving onward or I have a lot of challenges, then I get frustrated. But when I finally get something working and you know, it's successful, it runs nicely, you get the properties that you want, then I smile.
All right, thank you so much, Antti.
No problem. Thank you.